We've all used the phrase, there's an app for that, when it comes to our smartphones and tablets, but do you realize it applies to AutoCAD as well? The Autodesk App Store contains hundreds of Autodesk approved plugins, extensions, and standalone applications to make your AutoCAD experience more productive. You can access the Autodesk App Store from within AutoCAD in two ways. You can simply click on the shopping cart icon next to your login name, or, from the ribbon, click on the Featured Apps tab, then the App Store panel, and select Connect to App Store. Either method will take you to the App Store website in your default web browser. Accessing the App Store from within AutoCAD will automatically place you in the AutoCAD product filter. The home page of the App Store displays currently featured apps along with the most popular free and paid apps. You can search for apps by keyword or your favorite publisher. You can also continue to filter the apps by selecting a category in the AutoCAD section on the left. Once a category is chosen, you can filter further by app type, product version, and operating system. Apps matching your filter are grouped by the most relevant matches, but you can also display the newest, the most downloads, by ratings, or by price. Select the app that you want and download. Follow the publisher's instructions for installation. The Autodesk App Manager is your in-product resource for updating or uninstalling apps downloaded from the App Store. Go to the Add-ins tab of the ribbon and click on App Manager. Find the desired app in the list and right-click on it to either access Help, to install updates, uninstall the app, or provide a rating or a review through the App Store.